Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and access. Power off and unplug the keyboard to avoid shorting components. Once done, inspect the key. Scissor clips look like a plastic X, membrane caps have a rubber dome, and mechanical keys sit on a visible switch. Carefully wedge a thin pry tool under the edge of the cap. Pry gently at a low angle to release the retaining clips. Make sure to keep the removed cap and any small parts on a soft cloth so nothing rolls away. Now you handle the more delicate components. Lift the keycap straight up and steady. Do not twist, because twisting strains clips and can break the hinge. If the scissor mechanism or retainers stay on the switch, unclip each side with a tweezer, supporting the plastic so it doesn't snap. For mechanical switches, remove only the cap. For membrane keys, expose the rubber dome carefully. Keep track of orientation and any small springs or bars. To finish, inspect and clean. Blow out debris with compressed air, or lightly dab isopropyl 70% on a cotton swab for sticky residue. Avoid soaking. Reseat any scissor or retainer clips first, aligning hooks and hinges, then press the keycap straight down until you hear a click. Make sure the key moves freely and registers input. If it sticks or fails, check clip alignment, replace any broken retainers, and remove trapped debris. If problems persist, swap with a neighboring spare cap to isolate damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.